Hi, welcome to another video. So, to draw a realistic eye, I'm using 2B, 6B and 8B grid pencils and eraser for highlights. I have lightly drawn the outline from the reference picture, so now let's start shading. I prefer lightly shading the whole eye first. The stroke should be in one direction, so that we can get an uniform layer after blending. Initially, shade it very lightly. The shading should be done in 2-3 layers. Start shading the eyebrow in the direction of the hair. Now let's start blending the eye. I am using a small flat brush. You can also use paper stamps. Also blend in the direction in which you have shaded the eye. Another more important thing, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing to find out more videos like this. You can also follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is mentioned below. Now let's start darkening the pupil and iris and the outline of the eye. I am using 8B pencil for the dark areas. While shading an object, it is very important to shade from light to dark so you can get a desired result. Observe the reference picture and shade accordingly. Try to blend after shading every layer and do the highlights with the help of eraser. It will get a hyper-realistic effect. Start darkening the eyebrows and eyelashes. For this, follow the direction of the hair and draw the eyebrow and eyelashes. I will suggest it to draw at last. For the eyelashes and eyebrows, I am using a pencil of 8B grid. So if you guys find this video useful, then do give it a like, share and comment, and do subscribe to the channel. I upload a video every week.